Conigma Connect. No code, no effort.
In the current use case, Conigma Connect integrates OpenText Software Delivery Management, also known as ALM Octane, with Tricentis Tosca On-Prem. We start creating a test suite in Octane. In Tosca, we are preparing a set of reusable test step blocks for automation. Conigma Connect synchronizes these test step blocks to Octane so that we can add the linked objects to our test suite. This allows us to implement a specific test flow. The flow is now synchronized to Tosca to create the corresponding execution structure, and an execution link is added to the test suite in Octane. Through this link, the test manager can trigger remote execution in Tosca Test from Octane. The Tosca server runs the execution and creates execution results. Conigma Connect then synchronizes the execution results to Octane. We start our demo in Octane, where we can see different test suites that cover the SAP order-to-bill requirement. Let's create a new test suite and name it Automation Rush Order. We select Regression as type and link it to the application modules for the order-to-bill process. This module contains reusable test steps blocks that were linked from Tosca by Conigma Connect. Clicking the Add button creates the new test suite. We can open it to see the details. Now we can specify the rush order execution flow. We expand the order-to-bill section and select the needed steps: Create Sales Order and Create Billing Document. Finally, we click the Add button to save our changes. This triggers Conigma Connect to synchronize our changes to Tosca. In Tosca Commander, we can open the connected workspace. Here we see the reusable test steps blocks for the order-to-bill process. After an Update All, we can view the latest changes, the new execution list, rush order, and the rush order event. We can now either run the execution in Tosca immediately or initiate the execution from Octane. For this purpose, Conigma Connect has added a link to the test suite object to allow the test manager to kick off the Tosca execution remotely. Clicking this link will immediately trigger the execution on the remote Tosca server. We can now see the Tosca execution of the compiled test flow running in the SAP Win GUI. Once the execution is completed, test results are created in Tosca. We now run an Update All in Tosca Commander to see the execution results. In Conigma Connect, we have prepared a flow that synchronizes the Tosca results to Octane. We execute the flow and wait for completion. Finally, we go back to Octane, open our created test suite, and click on one of the added tests. Here we can switch to the Runs tab, showing the results that were sent from Tosca. If we switch to the Attachments tab, we can download the DocuSnapper report that was created by Tosca and added to Octane. We can open the downloaded Word document to get more details on Tosca execution, including screenshots of the system under test. This completes our demo. Thank you for watching.
Conigma Connect. No code, no effort.